Yeah, hey, what is up, everybody? I just got a comment a few minutes ago from Jorge Delgado, man. He gave me the heads up. He said he went to his local 99 cents. They were paying C and D cases. So I was like, you know what? Saturday, I'm off. Let's see what we find. And I got to the store just right now, man. I just replied to him. Oh snaps, man! They are pegging the new Hot Wheels. These are DKs. So this one will have the Bugatti. It'll have the Type R and a lot of good stuff, man. But most of these I already found at Walmart's and stuff, or at least the ones I wanted. I even got the airplane for my little one. I don't know about the Impala. I think I don't have that Impala. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the ones I like. Take a look at this Nova, man. Definitely gonna take this Nova. I don't think I even have the 8th crate. The Rod Squad, man. That's what's up. And I don't think I have this one yet. There is a motorcycle. There's a Lancer, but I already got that one. I even got one from my bro Adam, which we're gonna make a trade and take a look. This is the Ford Ranger Delfino was talking about, which it's a really nice casting. There's that yellow bug, man. Rod Squad. Of course I'm gonna take it. Very, very nice casting, man. And you guys know we like the BWs. And I already have. I don't have this one actually. There's the Street Stealth, and I have this one. I don't think I mentioned that, but I bought these two already. The RX-7 and the tuned version of that manga. We're calling it a manga tuner. But yeah, man, as you guys can see, there's like 4 packs and they're all full. There's a head started. I don't even know what the regular treasure hunt is for this one. I think it was like a buns something. We'll see. Oh, take a look, man. There's the black Bugatti, which I did not have, and I'm not really stoked to find it, but it is a great piece nonetheless. So I'm put that one aside to this side just in case somebody comes in and gets smart. Damn. All right, let's keep it going. Surf and turf. Oh man, you got this very nice truck. The Mazda Repo. I don't think I have it. Definitely gonna take it. Chrysler, Diora, Vulcan. Oh man, take a look. There's the Type R, man. This one gave me a headache before. I was going crazy not finding it. Definitely gonna take that one. I know my bro David, he's got his. He said, oh, the fast foodie. This is the regular treasure hunt. I think, yeah, a bunch of steals. This is the regular treasure hunt. Definitely gonna take the first for the D case. That's my very first treasure hunt. There's an Escort. Beat all. Damn. I even forgot what the Super is. I think it's a Porsche. I think it's a Porsche. Oh man, take a look. There's a second Bugatti. Sweet. Bugatti Chiron. There's an Integra, which I did get. Oh, there it is. This is the this is a regular though. This would have been the super if it was. This is what you're looking for the D case. You're trying to get the Spider, the Porsche Spider in the super version. But yeah, full pegs, regular Porsche. Let's put it how it was. But yeah, definitely gonna take the castings I put aside. And let's see if I can make it even. That looks about right. So yeah, definitely taking this Volkswagen, the Alpha, the Chirons, and the Road Squads. Yeah, and Honda, of course, the Type R, and the truck. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head out to a second what you call it, these things, Super 99 cents, and see if I get lucky over there. But yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, what's up, yo? Just got to the second location. Looks like they also have a new case. Let's see. Oh man, I didn't even see this one previously at the other 99 cents. This is the Rocking Santa sled, and you got the Mustang, the 8 crate. This one was on the floor already. BMW, the Surf, the Tune, the Sperry Motors, the Dream Garage. Let's see, man. I end up leaving the Nova, man. I don't know. I'll probably come back or get back to it. I only got like 7 castings. There's a Lancer wheelie chair, and a couple of these Halloween stuff. But let's see, man. I don't think I saw this one. I don't even remember. The 007. Let's put him out. There is a Honda, which I am gonna leave behind. I am gonna take my second treasure hunt, leaving the Honda behind. There's the regular version for the Spider. So I guess no super here. There's the head starter all the way up in the back. There's a Vulcan. Yeah, man, I see. There's a Bugatti. I'm definitely gonna take the Bugatti, man. I definitely gotta do some trades, or I might even give it away on a trade box. Actually, I'll probably say if oh man, they look like they have short cards. Oh, Dell, yeah, this is where I found the Bugatti short card last time. I think it was this place, but yeah. Oh, there's the King. I don't think I saw that one at the other 99 cents. Oh, I think I end up leaving the Alpine too. But yeah, man, I was saying probably gonna give it away to Drew. If Drew is interested in this Bugatti, man, I'll send it back. I mean, I already got 2. I'll send him this one right here. So yeah, there was only one Bugatti. I don't know if I missed it or not, but it's all good. I am leaving that Honda. There might be a Bugatti, but I didn't see it. I am taking the treasure hunt, and Spider was a regular, which I got it already. I got the regular version of the Spider, bought it at Walmart. But that's it. Other than that, well, I guess I'll have to show you guys the haul. Like I said, I did end up leaving some cars behind, but that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. See you guys.